What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to review 3 beautiful fragrances from the house of Paris Corner. All these 3 fragrances are made for women, but trust me guys, for me these perfumes are unisex and I love to wear them. So here I'm talking about the 3 beautiful perfumes from the house of Paris Corner. The first one is Pear Potion, the second is Mango Punch, and the third one is Juicylange. So let's start our review, and I'm going to tell you that how these 3 perfumes actually smells. So first of all these 3 perfumes are very youthful, very joyful. So if you're a teenager, you are a young girl, or you're a young boy, you are definitely going to love these. These perfumes are full of energy and full of fun. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So let me show you the all boxes together because they all look similar. The only difference is the color and the name. So the first one is Pear Potion. You can see the design pattern, the color of the box, and you can see the detailing and everything here. The name of the perfume, Pear Potion, and this one comes under the brand Emir, which is owned by Paris Corner. This is like their sub brand. So you'll find the logo of Emir on the top here, ingredient details, manufacturing date here in the bottom, the logo of the brand here in the back, and then here you will find this beautiful design and the name of the perfume. So this is for Pear Potion. You can see the green colored box, and the second one is Mango Punch. So here this is in mango color. You can see the pattern and the name of the perfume, Mango Punch. And the third one once again looks very similar. So here you will get a pink and purple gradient with the name Juicylange. So this is about the presentation, and now let me show you the bottles one by one, and I'm going to tell you that how these perfumes actually smells. So the first one, Pear Potion. You can see the bottle. Bottles are stunning and beautiful. You can see these are barrel shaped bottles with a deep cavity here in the bottom. You can see the caps, rounded caps. The caps are made of metal and they are very heavy. The finishing is beautiful, top notch. You can see the detailing on the atomizer. You can see the name of Paris Corner on the top of atomizer, and it's printed, it's not engraved. And let me show you the atomizer here, and here you go. So let's talk about Pear Potion. For the notes breakdown, you can visit their website or their Instagram page, and you can read all the notes breakdown there. Here in this video, I'm just going to tell you that how these perfumes actually smell. I'll give you the only main structure here to save your time because I have to review 3 fragrances in one video. So here, this is Pear Potion, a beautiful fruit salad with a lot of fruits in it. Don't get carried away with the name Pear Potion. Yes, you will get pear here, but along with pear, you will get apple, you will get strawberry, raspberry, caramel, and melon. Not watermelon, I'm talking about melon. And then you will find beautiful musky base. You will find musk in the base. As simple as that. Fruity, sweet, youthful, fresh, and amazing, energetic perfume. So this is Pear Potion. The vibe is feminine here, but trust me guys, this is a unisex scent and I love to wear it. So if you like sweet, fruity, refreshing kind of perfumes, you are going to love it. If you are a teenager, your age is like 12, 13 years, you can rock it easily and you will be loving it. The vibe is youthful. For the performance, this perfume is good. I have tested this perfume like 3 to 4 times in my office. I gave it full day wearing, and the longevity I get from this perfume is, you can say, around 8 to 9 hours easily. The projection is good for the first couple of hours, then it becomes a little bit softer, but it's always there. So the key here is more sprays. Be trigger happy. Start with like 10 to 12 sprays. This perfume is not very expensive, so this is not going to hurt your wallet a lot. So you can start with like 10 to 12 sprays and you will be enjoying it. Performance, projection is good here. For the age group, I have told you earlier, if you're around the age of like 12, 13 years plus, you can rock it easily for the season, all year round, occasion, any occasion, in your gyms, in your office, in your parties. It will work like a charm. So this was Pear Potion. And now let's jump to the next fragrance, Mango Punch. And as it's obvious from the name, this is a perfume based on mango, and trust me guys, this one smells wow, The bottle is very similar to the first one. The only difference is the color and the color of the sticker here and the name. So here what you will get is mango goodness. The mango note used here is very realistic, but yes, in fragrance way. It's not going to give you that food kind of vibe here, but it smells like a fragrance, but mango is clear. You will feel that this is mango here. And then of course you will get vanilla, some florals, a touch of orange, which provides that makeup-y kind of vibe here in this perfume. So mango with some florals. In florals you can get some white florals here. Performance once again is good here. You will get like 8 to 9 hours of longevity, same as Pear Potion, with good projection and sillage. And this perfume is inspired by Venom Perfumer Mango Skin. So if you like mango skin, you are definitely going to love it. So this was about Mango Punch. If you like mango based fragrances, do check it out. And now let's jump to the third one and my most favorite, the king of the series. And here I'm talking about Juicylange. See the bottle here. The bottle here is semi-transparent. You can see the glittery coating here, the gradient from pink to purple with this beautiful sticker. It's a shimmery kind of bottle. You can see the level of the juice here in this bottle. I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera or not, but this bottle is semi-transparent and this fragrance is killer. Trust me guys, this one smells just wow. Once again, you know the name Juicylange? Juicylange, mixture of juices. So here you will get juicy accords. You will get a lot of fruits here with a lot of musk and a lot of florals and a lot of bubblegummy vibe. In the fruits, you will get plum, blackcurrant, peach and some bubblegummy kind of vibe here. In the florals, you will get rose and orchids. So this is about the opening. It's all about juices and fruits. But the real magic starts toward the second phase. Once this perfume starts to develop, that's when the magic starts. It becomes more interesting and it becomes more beautiful. In the second phase, I can smell some basil. It becomes a little bit more green and a little bit more spicy. See the contrast. Fruits, juices, yes, they will stay with you, but then you will get that green herbal, basil, some green notes, and you will get that spiciness here with a beautiful base of vanilla and sandalwood. And it becomes really nice. And yes, how we can forget white musk? There is a lot of musk here in the base. And then in the final dry down, it becomes very beautiful. It becomes soft, powdery, musky, floral, fruity kind of fragrance. A beautiful experience. If you can, just try it out. Juicylange. I love Pear Potion. I like Mango Skin. But if I have to choose one, if you cannot afford three, just get Juicylange. And now let's talk about the price. So the current price of these beautiful perfumes inside UAE is 85 dirhams each, and the quantity you will get here is 100 ml Eau de Parfum concentration. So this was my review. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.